Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Amrina Amjad, your computer teacher, and here's lesson number 5 of Computer Science for Class 4. Today's topic is Module 1, Task 3, Working with Tables. E-skill page 15 to 17. Objective is, at the end of this lesson, students will be able to present the data in tables which are modified in the student's personalized style. First of all, we will discuss what is a table. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Cells is a combination of rows and columns, and grid of a cells is called a table. What are the benefits of the table? Why we use a table? When you are creating or editing a document, a table helps to create an outline and organize all data so you cannot leave out anything important. Tables are useful for various tasks such as presenting text information and numerical data. In Word, you can create a blank table, convert text to a table, and apply a variety of styles and formats to existing tables. Here we will learn how to create a table. In MS Office, first of all, we will go the Insert tab. Here the mention number 1. Insert tab, we will select the table group. Here is our table group, and after that we will select the size of the table. Here is the table containing the 4 rows and 4 columns. We will say the table containing the 4 rows and 4 columns. Table is a 4 by 4. The size of the table is a 4 by 4, 4 rows and the 4 columns. A table will appear in your document after selecting the rows and columns. Table will appear on the screen. A type or just click inside a cell or start the typing. You can insert the data in rows and columns in table. Just click in the cell and you can start the typing here. After that, we go to the table style. After inserting the table, after inserting the data in your table style is important to set the table styles. It is very easy format the table using the table style group to create a custom format. First of all, we will go the Design tab. Here you can see all the styles available in the MS Word. We will select the one style, apply on the table. On the Design tab, the table style group, click the style you like. On the Design tab in the table styles group, click the style you like. The style you selected will change the appearance of the entire table. You can see that before the table is a simple table without any style. After applying the design, selected design applied on the table. Next, after we want to apply some shading or border in our table, you will select the layout tab. In layout tab, here is the borders and the styles. You can also make a custom styles if you want to. To do this, you can use the borders or shading buttons. Borders insert line around the table or inside the grid. Shading colors the cell. On the Design tab in the Table Styles group, click the Shading. Here we click the shading. We selected the orange color. Click the color you want to apply on your table. We click the on orange color, and only orange color is filled in the third line. We applied in the on the whole line. Here you can see the whole line is highlighted with the orange color. Here is the border and the shading. Next, we will select the borders of the table. We want to apply the border, not all border. We will apply the border left, right, bottom and top. Here I am going to apply the left border. First of all, to use a border, here is the border. Select the area of the table you want. Before applying any type of formatting, you don't forget to select the table where you want to apply the border. You select first. On the Design tab, in the Table Style group, click the small arrow next to the borders. Here is the border, and we will select the left border because we want to change the left border. So we will select the left border. A border is added. You can see here, second is the left border, and after clicking the left border, here is the left border is highlighted with a black color. Border is applied. Next, if you want to insert the additional row and the columns in the existing table, you don't need to insert the table again. You can insert the rows and column in the existing table. Just right click on the table. Sometimes you may want a larger table than one you created. You don't need to start all over again. You can add rows and the columns to an existing table. How to do it? To add a row or a column, right click on the cell next to which you want to add row or a column. Just you have the right click on the table. On the pop-up menu, click the insert. Here is the pop-up menu. You will select the insert. After clicking the insert, you can insert the column to the left, insert column to the right, insert row above, insert row below, insert cell. Here we want to insert the column to the left. So we will select the insert column to the left. Thanks for watching. Best of luck. Have a nice day.